Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Tourism stakeholders are this evening painting a positive outlook on accommodations this weekend for Reggae Sumfest. The government is also reporting a slight increase in stopover arrivals for the summer.
As we approach the final nights of Reggae Sumfest 2025, tourism stakeholders are reporting a surge in bookings from hotel rooms to Airbnbs.
All I can say is, if you want to come to Sumfest, you're probably not going to be able to stay in the Mobay area. People are booking as far away as Trelawney, far as away as Lucy, because Mobay is saturated now. I know that every bed, every couch is taken, so it's a good look.
Tourists and locals secured their spots early, eager to attend arguably one of the largest events on Jamaica's entertainment calendar yearly. According to State Minister in the Tourism Ministry, Delano Seavright, it's a signal that brand Jamaica remains strong.
The turnout is going to be absolutely amazing, and we have already started off the summer pretty strong. Our arrival numbers are looking good. We're above last year, of course, and we expect to see a strong summer, and we also expect to see a very strong winter ahead.
While bookings for hotels and Airbnbs from Trelawney to Montego Bay have surged, it's not the same for all hoteliers from Hanover to Negril. Our news center spoke with hotelier Richard Wallace to gauge the situation further out west.
Traditionally, we would have been seeing some of the benefits from people coming for Sumfest for a couple of reasons. Negril is very slow at the moment, while some of the all-inclusives in Negril are seeing, good occupancies. The majority of smaller properties are not experiencing that.
That aside, vendors and other small business operators are also hoping things will improve over the weekend. Earlier this week, they complained of slow sales, triggering concerns about their potential earnings for this year. We put these concerns to senior strategist in the Tourism Ministry, Delano Seavright.
The big show nights, of course, are Friday and Saturday, and we expect that they are going to feel it over the weekend for sure. Given the numbers that we see coming down to Montego Bay, there are a lot of people, I'm told, don't even have a ticket and are making their way to Montego Bay on Friday to get into the show or find a ticket there on spot. So I think it's going to be absolutely substantial in terms of the impact on the broader economy of Montego Bay and the people of Montego Bay.
With 3 major shows scheduled to begin tonight, it's expected to be a magnet for both locals and tourists. However, it's left to be seen if vendors will also attract customers.
The JSE index declined by 64, while the junior market index declined by 14 points. The advancing stocks were led by Pulse Investments, Key Insurance Company, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Paramount Trading, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. Losing stocks included Omni Industries, One Great Studio, Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC, Honeybun, and Massey Holdings. 23 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $161.27. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.67. The pound is going for $215.34, while the euro is selling for an average $186.52. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.